Hi, this is Accutek Car Audio and Visual. This is a video of a KENWOOD 8021 DABS fitted into a lovely MX5 Limited Edition. Just get in. As you can see, it's all fitted in the original fascia trim. This one's got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, digital radio. This has also got a camera fitted in the front screen and also a rear camera. So you can, by pressing the cam button, you get the front dash cam. It's all controllable and playback via the touch screen. And then you can press the rear camera, and then you've got a rear camera there. That also activates. I just go back like that and then go into reverse. Also goes in. Got the lines up there as well, which are also adjustable. If you like this done in your MX5, then please give us a call, 01962 886 900. Thanks for watching.